Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am David.
And hi everyone, I am Alice. We are so happy to practice English with you today.
Today we have a wonderful lesson for you. We are going to practice answering simple daily questions in English.
Oh, daily questions. That is such a great way to build confidence, David. Everyday questions happen at work, at school, or when meeting new friends.
Exactly. When someone asks you a simple question in English, you do not want to freeze or panic. You want to answer smoothly and naturally.
Yes, today we will show you how to ask and answer common daily questions step by step, using very slow, simple, and clear English.
Whether you are driving, cooking dinner, doing chores, or relaxing at home, you can easily follow along with us.
Before we start our first question, please take a quick second to click that like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribe. It really helps our channel grow so we can keep making free lessons for you every week.
All right, David, are you ready for our first daily question?
I am ready, Alice. Let us begin. Let us look at our very first question. This is a question people ask every evening.
What is the question, David?
The question is, how was your day?
How was your day? Let us say that slowly together. How was your day?
Many beginners just answer with one word, like good or fine, but you can say so much more.
That is right. If your day was good, you can say, it was great. I had a busy day at work.
Repeat that after me. It was great. I had a busy day at work.
What if your day was relaxing?
Then you can say, it was very relaxing. I stayed home and read a book.
Let us repeat that slowly. It was very relaxing. I stayed home.
And what if your day was terrible, Alice?
Oh no, if it was a hard day, you can say, it was a long day. I am very tired.
That is a very natural response. Repeat with us. It was a long day. I am very tired.
Always remember to ask the question back to your friend. You can simply say, how about yours?
Yes, how about yours? That keeps the conversation going naturally. Now let us move to our second question. People ask this question every Thursday or Friday.
The question is, what are you doing this weekend?
Let us repeat that slowly. What are you doing this weekend?
How can our learners answer this question simply?
You can use the phrase, I am going to, plus your plan.
Oh, I am going to. For example, I am going to visit my family.
Exactly. Repeat after Alice. I am going to visit my family.
Or, I am going to clean my house.
Cleaning the house? That sounds like hard work, Alice, not a relaxing weekend.
Well, someone has to clean it, David. But what if you have no plans at all?
Then you can say, nothing much, just relaxing at home.
Nothing much, just relaxing at home. Let us repeat that together. Nothing much, just relaxing at home.
That is a perfect answer when you just want to rest. Now let us move to our second question. People ask this question every Thursday or Friday.
The question is, what are you doing this weekend?
Let us repeat that slowly. What are you doing this weekend?
How can our learners answer this question simply?
You can use the phrase, I am going to, plus your plan.
Ooh, I am going to. For example, I am going to visit my family.
Exactly. Repeat after Alice. I am going to visit my family.
Or, I am going to clean my house.
Cleaning the house? That sounds like hard work, Alice, not a relaxing weekend.
Well, someone has to clean it, David. But what if you have no plans at all?
Then you can say, nothing much, just relaxing at home.
Nothing much, just relaxing at home. Let us repeat that together. Nothing much, just relaxing at home.
That is a perfect answer when you just want to rest. Question number 3 is all about hobbies and interests.
The question is, what do you like to do in your free time?
Say it slowly with us. What do you like to do in your free time?
David, how do you answer this question?
You can start your sentence with, I like to, or in my free time, I enjoy.
For example, I like to cook delicious food and listen to music.
Repeat after I like to cook delicious food and listen to music. What about you, David? What do you like to do?
In my free time, I enjoy playing sports and watching movies.
Let us repeat that useful phrase. In my free time, I enjoy watching movies.
Notice that after enjoy, we use the ing form of the verb. Enjoy watching, enjoy cooking, enjoy reading.
Ah, great grammar tip, David. I enjoy swimming, not I enjoy to swim.
Perfect. Keep practicing those short sentences out loud.
Our fourth question is one of the very first questions you meet when talking to native speakers or travelers.
Where are you from?
Repeat slowly with us. Where are you from?
The answer is super easy. I am from, plus your country or city.
For example, I am from Brazil, or I am from Japan.
Let us repeat. I am from Brazil.
To add more detail and sound more fluent, you can add a short second sentence.
Like what, David?
You can say, I am from Italy. It is a beautiful country. Or, I am from Spain. I live in Madrid.
Ooh, adding a second sentence makes you sound so confident.
Let us practice that combo. I am from Spain. I live in Madrid.
Excellent. Small steps make big progress.
Now it is time for our fun practice quiz. Let us test what you learned today.
The question is, what are you doing this weekend?
Question 1. A friend asks you, how was your day? You had a great day. What do you say?
Is it A, it was great, I had a good day at work? Or B, I am from France?
3, 2, 1.
The answer is A, it was great, I had a good day at work. Awesome job!
Question 2. Someone asks, what do you like to do in your free time? What is the correct answer?
Is it A, I am going to sleep tomorrow? Or B, in my free time, I enjoy reading books?
3, 2, 1.
The answer is B, in my free time, I enjoy reading books. Fantastic!
Question 3. How do you politely ask a question back to your friend?
Is it A, how about yours? Or B, no thanks?
3, 2, 1.
The answer is A, how about yours? You are doing so wonderful today.
Let us review all our key sentences from today's lesson one more time.
Listen carefully and repeat out loud after David and me.
Sentence 1. How was your day?
How was your day?
Sentence 2. It was a long day. I am tired.
It was a long day. I am tired.
Sentence 3. What are you doing this weekend?
What are you doing this weekend?
Sentence 4. I am going to visit my family.
I am going to visit my family.
Sentence 5. Nothing much, just relaxing at home.
Nothing much, just relaxing at home.
Sentence 6. In my free time, I enjoy reading.
In my free time, I enjoy reading.
Sentence 7. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Sentence 8. How about yours?
How about yours? Answering simple questions step by step is the best way to practice speaking English without fear.
Yes, don't worry about making mistakes. Just practice speaking every day.
Now we have a fun community question for you.
Tell us in the comments below, where are you from and what do you like to do in your free time?
We love reading comments from our global community, so please write your answer in simple English below.
If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today. Have a beautiful day.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in our next lesson.